Okay, today we will be adding the Google Chrome extension, Google Meet GridView. First of all, we go to the Google screen and search. In the search window, we're going to search for the Google Chrome store. As a matter of fact, I'll just type Google Chrome extensions. Here it is. It's the first item up, first link on the page. Click that link, and this link will take us into the Google Chrome store. When we get to the Google Chrome store, we are going to search for the Meet GridView because we're using an extension that will work with Google Meet. So I'll type in the search box, Meet GridView. Here it is, the first one on the list, Google Meet GridView. I will click on the name of that window, but before I do that, I just need you to see that you will have to click Add to Chrome. On my screen, you won't see Add to Chrome next to the Google Meet GridView because I already have that extension. Like it says here, it's added already. For you, you will have to add to Chrome. All right, now your screen will look like what we see here. When you're on Google Meet, all participants will be looking at you in a grid, in each cell of a grid, like tiles. When you add that to Chrome, you'll get the little icon here on the left, which will land right over here on the right of the screen on the top, so that when you're at Google Meet, you just click that icon and you will be enabling your Google Meet screen so that you'll see everyone in the grid. And I hope you enjoy the experience. Bye.